Well, what a downturn, huh? The Fed comes out yesterday, and what do we get? Drive down. Look at this big candle in the Qs. So I've been very bullish, thinking that we could break through this line right here, and so that we can get up to this, move up and get at least 294, like I stated previously. And we really hit right up against that, and we were going to turn up, but we're looking at the dailies. We got this candle here, and then the last 3 days just been down. So this is a resistance point that we went through. And so now we have this low right here at 258, 257 that we may go down to. So I just want to provide a little critique here, right? Because I think the moves in the market were really looking to uh, see that the rate hikes were going to come down by the Fed, or at least slow down. And everything was looking like that was the case. Even the tone of Powell's commentary was that way. And then somebody asked a question, and he emphatically said it is, and I'll quote, very, very unlikely, right? Quote, that the rate hikes were going to slow down. So I mean, as soon as he said that, the market just tanked. So yeah, we were up, and then we were down, and obviously we closed at the lows of the day. That's never a good thing. We cleared, as you can see, this really resistance line that was very key. We did it in one fell swoop, and then now we gap down. We are trying to currently make a run to close this gap. Is really important now. It's 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Typically, we don't see gap closing attempts after the first hour of the market open, but we're at 0.77. Let's look at the 5 minutes just so you can see what I'm talking about here. So it's right here, right? 264.15 or so. You can see a double. It attempted. There's a hole right there. So elections are on Tuesday. That may provide a nice rally if there's a changing of the guards, just because we're in these big problem areas. So as of right now, I would favor an attempt at the gap close here, but it would be strange. But I would favor it, obviously. I'd like to see the markets go up, but let's look at the reality, right? So when we are looking at this on the daily, and we've been here before. You've heard me talk about it before. We were in a difficult situation, right? We hit this low, and we were thinking that we're still above this trend line, and may bounce. There's like a double whammy reserve to try and bounce out of here. We may be in this key structure here for now, right? Like maybe from here to here, and then we may get a bounce back up. We're playing in this space. You may call this a Darville's box of sorts. So let's hide that so you can see what that looks like. Look, we need a hero to come in. We need a hero to come in and drive this market up. It is November. It is a really good time to see the markets go up. We did have a phenomenal record-breaking Dow Jones performance October, in a month that we typically have negative returns, right? So, unfortunately, we are pointing down on the RSI. This volume bar was it matched the downside on this candlestick. So there's a lot of headwinds up ahead. And so all I'm going to say is that we need somebody with strength to come in, something, right? One of these hedge funds people that are really positive, and maybe we can drive it up until Tuesday and see a really nice gainer, maybe to the top of this level again, and see if we can push it forward. Because we've attempted 1, 2, a third time should break, right? So anyway, I hope that helps. I I am thinking that we bounce and we go, but if we break, it's a long way down. If you can see, this is the value, but this is the peak down here. Like not much to look at the resistance. Sorry for my cough, it continues. So you can see the weekly diagram. We're really close to this bottom. And so we'll see what happens. All right, come look at our options trading pilot. If you like us, obviously hit that button and subscribe. And there's more commentary to come. All right, guys. Talk to you later.